Hey, what's going on? It's your boy DJ TLM. Welcome to the Breakdown episode 1. This is my new series, and in this series I will break down some of the scratch patterns I perform in my Saturday sessions videos. Let's take a look at this one today. Okay, so let's break it down. We're going to start with our fader in the open position. Move the platter forward and close the fader so we can bring it back, but we don't hear that. We just want to hear that forward motion. Open fader, close your fader, bring it back, open your fader again. Now we're going to do the baby scratch motion, so forward and back, but we're incorporating the fader. On your way forward, you close the fader, and now when you bring it back, you open it again. So this time we're hearing that backward motion. Now the fader is open again, move it forward one more time and close your fader. That is the base for this pattern. Now to do the entire pattern, you're going to repeat this twice and then add one more stab in the end. Let's do everything together. We're going to do this twice. One more time. And then one more stab at the end. That's the entire pattern. Now, I'm going to do it slow, and you should probably start slow as well. But at a certain point, you do want to speed the motion up a bit because then you're going to get that sharper sound. This sounds very low. If you do it faster, you get that sharper sound. Let's do the entire pattern and slowly build our way up to more speed. That's it. Again, start slow, break it down movement by movement, then put it all together and slowly start to speed it up. Now, once you get the hang of it, you can add the beat, the same beat as the Saturday sessions or any other instrumental. If you want to use the same beat, the download link is in the description box down below. That's it for episode 1 of Break It Down. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you like the video and share the video with anyone who could use it. Share the knowledge. If you're new to my channel or if you've been watching but you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and activating the notifications because it really helps out the channel. Plus, you'll never miss a new upload. Thanks for tuning in. Have a lot of fun practicing. Until next time, peace.